Lord Corporation has a lot of products. It can be overwhelming. How would you know which one to select? Customers really rely on us for an extension of their engineering or application team. We select the right adhesive or the right product for their use. We help them understand how to use it. They may have questions about how to apply it, what application it should be used in. So we help in their selection process. It's part of the product that they buy. They get the service and the assistance with it.
Thank you for calling Lord.
There's multiple ways they can contact us for help. They'll talk to a live person and we'll get them the help on the phone. Email us to a website contact, and they can also live chat. So we'll chat with one of the technical representatives to give them real-time answers to their questions. The fact that we can quickly get that person to the right individual for thousands of products across multiple industries and find a specialist within the same phone call, that's a service that sometimes is overlooked. Not everybody can offer that. That's a real benefit to the customer.